Hey guys, this is Mr. Bogazan. I will be your science teacher this year. I am ready for a great year. Can't wait to have you. This will be my 5th year at Ithaca and very excited to teach you this year. Look, a few things about myself. I have a wonderful family. This is actually them right here. This is, hard to see. This is outside of the St. Louis Arch. We went on a road trip this summer. And so we have myself, of course, my daughter Abigail, who will be in 5th grade, my son Landman, and my wife Tara. Tara will be teaching this year at Villarica High School. She'll be teaching, I think, 9th and 10th graders. My daughter Abigail will be going into Bay Springs Middle School as a 6th grader. And my son Landon, also known as Landman, will be a 3rd grade this year. Really looking forward to teaching science. Some things about me. I love science. I think science is so useful. I think it makes sense of our world and makes sense of the world around you and the outdoors. And I love the outdoors. I like lots of outdoor activities, sports, hunting, fishing, kayaking, hiking, camping. And this is a fish I caught towards the end of last summer. It was a 5.82 pound largemouth at Lake Chickamauga. I'm sure parents, you will hear about lots of my fishing and hunting adventures through your students and our instruction of the curriculum. Hope you have a great day. Can't wait to meet all you guys. Looking forward to it.